guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another JOMSO Lehenga unboxing, and this is a requested video and not a sponsored video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. This is how it came. This is how JOMSO does its packaging. Now I'm going to open the product. So this is what I ordered. First, let's see the blouse fabric. They have provided this tissue fabric and satin fabric. Now there's like 3 pieces of satin fabric. Really cool. And then comes this. First, let's see this fabric. I think this is for the blouse. It comes in this tissue fabric with like grey embroidery, and in between that they have given this golden glittery shining details. You can actually see it has like a mild, very light shine, and then the embroidery is very neat. The design is very nice, very beautiful, and you will not see any random threads here and there, so the finishing of it is really good. Next piece of fabric, again it's the same tissue one, and then they have given this design. There's about 1 meter of fabric for your blouse, so you can get a full sleeve stitch. How the blouse looks in the picture, and it's almost the same, though there's a minute changes, but still I really like this one. Now coming to the skirt. This is how it looks. It comes in this organza silk and has like a floral and green detailing or print going on, and then it's super cute. This is the waistband. It's simple, and the pleating is also very nice. You see there's a lot of pleating, and this might fit up to 42 inches of waist size. There is a little ghera, around 3.7 meter of flare you get, and inside they have given this soft satin lining as well. Not very shiny, but the fabric looks fine. There is no can-can attached, so you will have to get a can-can attached to give that lift. To the border they have given this golden lace. Now comparing it with the picture shown in their website and what I received, it's exactly the same. Next, coming to the dupatta, this is how it looks. Again, it comes in this green and floral print, digital print, and the fabric here again is organza silk. They have given this golden border. I'm going to give a very close-up picture of this as well, guys, and it's long enough. The fabric is good. Now coming to the rating, I would like to rate it 5 out of 5 because everything about this lehenga is really good. The fabric, the picture shown, and what I received is exactly same. Coming to the price, the original price was 4,040 rupees and the discounted price is 2,090, which I think is reasonable and a good deal. Now if you want to buy this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, and if you don't know about this site, then let me tell you guys, JOMSO sells all kinds of Indian ethnic wear. They do have cash on delivery option. They do ship worldwide with extra shipping charge. Returns is also very easy. If you didn't like a product or if you receive a defective product, what you'll have to do is within 7 days you'll have to mail them, and they are going to accept your return request. So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, do hit the like button and share the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you want me to review on any of their other products, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.